Nsugu statue. Now, actually, the names of soldiers who have fought for the nation. He weaved on the statue. He spent 4 years in prison. 4 years in prison. There are people now in our cemetery exhuming the bodies of dead old men and old women. Have no respect for the dead. And this is why we don't prosper. Yeah. Because we have disrespected God and disrespected people of honor. I finish this. And I want to tell everybody, until our mindset is renewed and changed and revolutionized, we are joking. Right? If we don't change our mind, even if Jesus Christ becomes your president, you will vote against Jesus Christ. I'm telling you. And so me, I fear for this present government. You can't please these people. These people called Ghana, you can't please them. Very soon they will be very angry with you. Very soon they will dislike you. Because that is their nature. They don't. Tomorrow morning, let's go to Circle to Accra and let's say we are decongesting the whole streets. The people will rise up against you even though what you are doing is right. Yeah. They have moved themselves from the market to the road. And these people want to travel to UK. UK. Sit down. Let's reflect. Where did we go wrong? Where did we go wrong? In those days when the Valco buses starts from here at Abeka Junction, La Paz, and they pick people to work. Valco then had its own hospital. Valco then had its own stuff, housing scheme and all that kind of thing. Once they employ you, you know the future is guaranteed. I look at young people and I say, if God does not help you, there is no help. If God does not help you, there is no help. So I cannot come here and preach a faulty gospel. I should preach the full gospel to you. That we are not just going to heaven. If we don't go to heaven tomorrow, we will eat. We will pay our bills. Truth must be preached. Seriously. I'll close with Isaiah chapter 5 verse 20. Isaiah the 5th chapter, the 20th verse. The English makes it very interesting. Isaiah chapter number 5.